Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how you can make short videos for Rumble and how you can use those videos to get free traffic for affiliate marketing. And best thing about this method is you don't even need to make these videos by yourself. We are actually going to use two softwares. One software to write us a script for that video and second software to make automatically those videos. So we don't have to make those videos by ourselves. And also I'm going to show you how you can double your earnings. So with that being said, let's start. Okay, so first thing we need to do, we need to find the products to promote because we need to know what is our topic, we need to know what is our niche. So for this purpose, I'm actually going to use Digistore 24. And because we are talking about internet marketing and affiliate marketing and make money online, what I need to do, I need to scroll here and I need to click here on internet marketing and e-business. And what I need to do, I need to go through all of these products on first page, on second page, third page, and so on in order to find the best product for me to promote. So let's say I wish to promote this product here, get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. Here you can see I can earn 18 euros per sale on average. Here you can see card conversion is 6%, cancellation rate is 25%, which is actually average cancellation rate. And what I actually need to do, I need to open their affiliate tools page because I'm going to need that. And what I actually need to do, I actually need to click here on, let me just find that, PPC ads. And here I can see suggested keyword list. Now I'm going to need this in a minute and you will see why. Now here I can see all the available keywords that they actually suggest. So now when I have my product, next thing I need to do, I need to actually write a script for my video. But I know that many of you are not good at writing scripts. So what you can do is you can actually go on software called Writer. Now, when you go here, when you scroll here on the bottom, here you can see that they actually have 3 plans. So what you can do for the beginning is you can register for a free plan. And here you can see on a free plan, you can generate 10,000 characters per month. And because we are making short videos, that is quite enough. Later you can switch to one of these paid plans, but like I said, for the beginning, free plan is quite enough. So after you register for a free plan, what you need to do, you need to click here on Start Writing. And here you need to choose language. I will stick with the English. Convincing, just leave it as it is, convincing. And here you need to choose a case, use case. So blog idea outline, blog section writing, brand name, and so on and so on. So let's just say I will choose blog idea outline, and here I actually need to add my main keyword. So I will go back on their affiliate tools page, and let's just say I wish to use this one here. Control C, and I'm going to paste that here. Number of variations, let's just leave it as 1. Creativity level, leave it as optimum. And then all you have to do is just click here, write for me. And this software will automatically start writing articles for you. So you don't have to write these articles by yourself. Now this usually takes a few minutes, and here you can see how this looks. And they actually created outline because that is what we choose, blog idea and outline. So what I need to do, I actually need to simply highlight this, okay, and then click here on paragraph, and they will automatically write another paragraph for me. And just give it a minute, and here you can see they wrote a paragraph. Now this is really important. This paragraph here, this article here is 100% unique. It is copyscape safe. That is really, really important. So now I have a short article. This is the short article. This is the script for my short video. So now I need to make a video. Now I know that many of you are not good at making videos, or you don't feel comfortable in front of camera, or English is not your first language, or some other reason. So what you can do is you can actually go on a website called Synthesia. Now this website will automatically create videos for you, and here you can see how this looks. It looks pretty well considering that this is actually an AI. And here you can see more how many templates they have. They have lots of different templates, lots of different AI artists that you can choose. And here you can see sample videos and so on and so on. And they are actually having 2 plans. Here you can see cheap plan is $30 per month. But what you need to do, you actually need to go back here on their home page, and you need to click here on create a free AI video. Click here in order to create a free video. And here you can see they will automatically give you this voice artist, this artist. You cannot choose that on a free video. And here you can see Synthesia demo sales pitch. Just choose one of these. How-to video doesn't really matter. Just Okay, how-to video. I will choose how-to video. Let's just say sales pitch for this purpose. And what I need to do now, I actually need to go back on Writer and I need to copy this, okay? Copy this, Control C, go back on Synthesia, and I need to paste that here, okay? It is too long, and all I have to do now is just click here on continue, and here I need to add my first name, let's just say Zoran, last name, let's just say IG. Here you need to add your business mail, which means you cannot use free emails, you cannot use Gmail, Yahoo Mail, Live Mail, or any other. You need to add your business mail. Now, if you don't have business mail, and that is actually not the problem, because you can simply go on Namecheap and you can register a professional business email for just $1 per month. It is really cheap and you can easily earn that $1 per month. So you can maintain your business email. And as you can see, it is not that expensive. And all you have to do then, just go back here, add your business email, choose how you find out for them, let's just say YouTube, confirm that you agree with the terms and condition, and then click here, generate free video. Please wait, and you will receive your video via email in a few minutes. So basically they will send the download link. So basically they will send a finished video to your email in just 5 to 10 minutes. So I will actually pause this video until I receive this video. Now they finished my video and this is how it looks. So let me just click here on play just so you can see how this actually looks.
The social media marketing manager is responsible for the implementation and management of a company's social media marketing strategy. This position requires a high level of creativity.
As you can see, this is really good, especially considering that this is actually made by AI. But here you can see this stuff here. I actually made a mistake. So when I go back here, I choose sales pitch. But what you need to do, you need to choose here Synthesia demo. In that case, you won't have this stuff here. You just have this girl here talking without this stuff here, okay? I made a mistake. I apologize for that. But another thing, here you can see there is no download button because we made a free video. But what you can do is you can actually install an add-on to Mozilla or to Google Chrome. And then you can simply click here and use browser and you will download this video to your desktop totally free. So you solve this problem. So now when you have your video, next thing you need to do, you need to go on Rumble and you need to upload your video on Rumble. For those of you who don't know what Rumble is basically same like YouTube. So what you need to do, you need to register for a free account and then click here to upload your video. Upload video. And here you need to choose your video. So this is the video, okay? And here I need to add title. So I will simply go back on Writer and I will simply copy this. Okay, best social media jobs for college students. I will just copy that, okay? Control C, paste it here for description. Again, go back on Writer and I will simply copy this and paste it here. And here you can choose thumbnail or you can add your own custom thumbnail. Tags are optional, but I would suggest to add tags. Let's just say jobs, for example, and let's just say social media. Okay, and again, and let's just say I will add just these two tags for now. But of course you will add more tags. And all you have to do now is just click here on upload and upload this video. Choose video management, for example, add some of this stuff and then click here submit and upload this video on Rumble. But I actually told you that you can double your earnings. So when you go back here on Rumble, and you will see that actually some of these videos are making money from Rumble. As you can see here, this video earned $11. Now, Rumble, just like YouTube, they also have a partnership program, but it is much easier to get accepted in partnership program on Rumble. And just go to other videos to see, are there any other videos? Okay, this video made almost $5. So basically what you need to do, you need to start uploading videos every day on Rumble and you need to start promoting those videos wherever you can. On Reddit, on Twitter, on Instagram, Facebook, wherever you can to drive as much traffic as you can to those videos. And in that way you will make money from Rumble and also you will start getting clicks on your affiliate links that you will add in the description of your video. But another thing that you can do is you can start uploading these same videos that you created in Synthesia. You can start uploading those videos on YouTube, on Instagram, on TikTok. You can upload them on Twitter, on Pinterest, and so on and so on, and start uploading those videos wherever you can, as often as you can. In that way, you will start getting more and more views, you will start getting more and more clicks on your affiliate link, and you will start making more sales, and you will start making more money. Now, I know it takes some time, and I know it takes some work in order to start getting that traffic, but that is something that you have to do, unfortunately, if you are going to use free methods. So this is how you do Digistore 24 affiliate marketing. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side, you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.